Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can trade tokens on Uniswap using Zengo Wallet. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that your Zengo Wallet is installed, funded, and connected to Uniswap. And this will help you trade tokens securely using your Zengo wallet. So first, you will open your app that uniswap.org, and what you will do is tap connect or connect wallet. It really depends on the layout of your website. And what you will do is you will look for Zengo wallet. So you have to make sure that you do have your Zengo wallet connected already. And then what you will do is you will approve the connection in the Zengo wallet app. And then after that, you will click swap, and then which is right here under the trade section. So just go ahead and click swap. And what you will do is you will select the token that you would want to trade, and then the token that you would want to receive, or you would want to sell, or you would want to buy, for simple terms. And of course, just choose any token that you really prefer. So for example, I would want to sell ETH, and I would want to buy or receive USDT. And then what you will have to do is enter the amount and review the estimated amounts to receive. So let's say you want that, and then after that, uh, of course, you will uh, you will review again the estimated amount that you will receive, including the gas fees, and that's it. And finally, approve the transaction in Zengo Wallet and wait for the confirmation, and you will double check the token addresses before confirming. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.